Hey friends, this is Latif here. Val and welcome to the new update on Algorand. As in my earlier video that I've been showing you a breakout from a down channel that has happened on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if we move to the live daily time frame, this is by the way a 7 day time frame chart. Let me just switch to the daily time frame. And here you can see that the price line is now dropped down here at this quite long-term support of 30 cents. It has been recently breaking a support and resistance here. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this 30 cents has been breaking as a resistance here, and for several weeks, a month, it has been breaking as a support here as well. And now if I place a Fibonacci from this low to the current high, then you can see that the price line is almost dropped inside this golden pocket as well at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Previously, when it was dropped down here in this golden pocket, we had a short reversal here. The price line could not break out another downtrend and resistance that we have found here on the daily time frame chart. If I place a trend line here, then you can see that for the past several days or weeks, the price and is not able to break it out. And in case of breaking out, I'm expecting that it can hit this long-term resistance on that starts from 70 cents and goes to 80 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance on has been working as a very strong support on here for several months and resistance here, resistance here. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance as well. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Chili's, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingViews chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 21st of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let's move back to the live chart of Algorand. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here, previously, we have been following this down channel. And I've been telling you in those days when it was moving inside this channel that after the breakout, we can expect the target here at the top of the channel, approximately at 32 cents. And you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. But now, recently, we have found this downtrend and resistance, and now the pricing is also testing this long-term support of 30 cents as well. That is a quite long-term support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this 30 cents has been working as a very strong resistance here, and for several weeks it has been breaking as a support here. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong support for the price. And by the way, if the price breaks it down, then it can drop down to the next support and imminent support here at 25 cents as well. That has been previously working as a resistance here and resistance here, and this time it can be flipped into a strong support for the price line of Algorand. And now, if the price line breaks out this downtrend and resistance of the daily time frame chart, then there will be a probability that the price line may reach this long-term resistance on that starts from 70 cents and goes to 80 cents. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 70 to 80 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance here, support here, and for several weeks a month, it has been breaking as support here and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line of Algorand. And now if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, then this target will be here at the top of this wedge. That will be somewhere between $2.60 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.